Good day. Today, I will show you how you can add an upload button to your consent forms. First, we go to your PX portal. Click on the human icon located on the upper right corner of your screen and click on Configuration. Under Form Template Designer, select Consent Form Designer. Once you're inside your Consent Form Designer, you can now go ahead and select which template you want to add an upload button, or you can create a brand new form where you can add the upload button. Regardless which one you've selected, you just need to follow the next instructions. First, you need to click and hold the HTML button and drag it over to the canvas. It should now look like this. Now you will need to clear everything inside this box so that we can add the button we need. Now, from this page, we need to add this line show on the screen. You can also get this from the description below. The value right next to name is where the uploaded file or image will be stored. So you need to select which folder you want to store this in your imaging folder. Now it should look like this. And that is it. That is how you can add an upload button on your consent forms. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.